I'm excited though kasi I haven't seen her for 42 years. Kalokohan. 42 years. I'm going home sometime this year, but I'm not sure what month, which month I'm going. Wala ng parents ko, so nobody is stopping us. But I haven't told my two kids yet. I don't know what's their reaction. Um, Sabihin ko sila, if I go back to Philippines, I will tell them when I arrive in the Philippines because I don't want to see their reaction, their face. And I'm very emotional as well. I don't want them to see me I'm crying because I'm always like emotional. I will cry straight away.